Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with VChill and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make the Origami Ninja Star model. Let me show it to you how it looks. This is the Origami Ninja Star model. So without further delay, let's check it out. So guys, for this Ninja Star model, we'll need two square pieces of paper. I'm using these two colors, but frankly speaking, these two colors are not good color combinations for the star. You can pick two contrast colors. Because of the lockdown, I don't have enough papers. I have these two colors, and hence I'm using this for this video. So let's begin. This is our left sheet. Right sheet will maintain this nomenclature. So first let's pick the left sheet, fold it from the center, like this, turn it around and fold it this flap till the edge. Same thing, we do it on this side. And then open this and then fold it inwards. And then this, we fold it like this till the center. Open it back. Similarly, we do it with the right sheet. It's exact repetition of steps, but these left sheet and right sheet, some folds are different for both, so make sure you follow those properly, otherwise you won't be able to make this star. Till here it's same, so we can just make it and keep it like this. All right, now left side. So first, with the left side, what we do is fold it properly. First with the left side, so with the left side, first we'll pick left side. So with the left side, we'll fold this left side flap downwards like this. And then we fold right side flap upwards like this. Press these properly. Now we pick the right side page, and this was down, so this will be up. And then this will be down. This is how it looks. Now rotate the sheet. This fold, we'll fold it like this, edge to edge properly. Similarly, this side, we'll fold it like this. It's okay if this portion, as you can see, this comes out slightly. It's not edge to edge, but this should be proper. Okay, same thing here, we fold it this side Same thing, this we fold like this. Now we turn this like this and then we put it on here like this. This goes at the center and this is how we align the position. Now we keep it in this position, note the position, and now let's first actually make these folds. Press it properly, this and this. Similarly here. Now we put this flap down inwards like this and then align it here, and we put this flap here like this. Align it properly, keep some distance here, we'll adjust it later. For folding we need that distance. Turn the sheet. Now this goes in this. And this goes in this. This is harder one. Pack it tightly. Now you can pack it like this, and this is your Origami Ninja Star model. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. This is Vishal, thank you so much, and I'll be back next week. New videos, new content. Stay tuned. Take care guys.